Hello everyone. In this session, we'll be talking about the different kind of operators present in tab. First of all, we are going to talk about the arithmetic operators in tab. But before that, let us try to understand what exactly is an operator. An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical or logical manipulation. Tableau has a number of operators that are used to create the calculated fields and formulas. In that, we will be first talking about the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are like the tools in your mathematical toolkit which helps you to perform the calculations and unlock the valuable insights from your data. Imagine you have a data set which is filled with numbers. They can be the sales figures, expenses, quantities, and more. To derive the meaningful insights and perform the calculations, you need the power of arithmetic operations. So, arithmetic operators in Tableau are a symbol or function used to perform mathematical calculations on numeric data. They allow you to add, subtract, multiply, divide, and more, which enables you to create the calculated fields and analyze the data effectively. When you work with the arithmetic operators, you are essentially building the tool to transform the raw numbers into the actionable insights. Now let's talk about some of the basic arithmetic operators. The first version is the addition. Use the plus sign to add or two or more numbers together. For example, you can calculate the total revenue by adding up the individual sales figure. So it is the basic addition that we used to do. Now the next one is the subtraction, which is described by the minus sign. This helps you to subtract one number from another. You can use this to calculate the different kind of fields like profit margins by subtracting the cost from the revenue. The third one is the multiplication, which is denoted by the asterisk sign. Here, the asterisk sign represents a multiplication which allows you to find the product of numbers useful for calculating the totals or percentages. Next is the division. The forward slash is used for division, which enables you to divide one number by another. This is handy when you are trying to find the average or the ratios. Then we have some of the advanced arithmetic operators. Tableau goes beyond the basic operators with advanced functions like the modulo, which is denoted by the percent sign. The modulo operator finds the remainder when one number is divided with another number. It is useful for identifying patterns or cycles in data. The last one is the power. Then we have power. Power is denoted by the caret or POW function, which is used to raise a number to a specific power. This is handy for the exponential calculations such as compound interest. Now, whenever we are working with these arithmetic operators, there are multiple things that we can do. The first one is creating the calculated fields, which usually combines the arithmetic operators with functions, fields, and constants to create the calculated fields for each of the customized calculation. The next one is the aggregate data, in which we use different operators in aggregation functions to summarize the data, such as finding the average or a sum of set of values. The next one is the formatting of results, in which we do the formatting to calculate the different fields to ensure that your results are present in a clear and understandable manner. The last one is performing the complex calculations, in which we combine the multiple operators and try to find out the different types of the last one is the perform complex calculations, in which we combine the multiple operators and functions to perform the complex calculations tailored to your specific analysis need. Arithmetical operators are your mathematical companion tab, which empowers you to perform the calculations, analyze trends, and make data-driven decisions. So this was all for the arithmetic operators in Tableau. In the next session, we'll be talking about the relationship operators in Tableau.